Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So in this video, I will show you the interface of AutoCAD 2022. So when you open your AutoCAD software, this is what you will see. Okay, so in the middle here, this area, this is we call as workspace. So this is where you will do your drawing, and the color by default is black, but you can change to any color that you like. Okay, and then this workspace is unlimited, so it doesn't matter how big you want to use it, should be no problem. Okay, so at the top of this AutoCAD, you will see my mouse. Okay, my arrow. This is what we call as access toolbar. Okay, where you can open, you can create new drawing, you can open, you can save and print, etc. And this ribbon, you can see this is the, we call that ribbon. So this is where they locate the menu and command that will be used for your drawing, to do your drawing and design. So for example, this one is for draw. Okay, you can find line, polyline, circle, etc. And next one, you have modify, where you can use this icon, this menu for example, this one for move the object, to rotate, to trim, okay, to mirror, etc. So we will learn this later. Okay, next we have annotation, where we can put our dimension or annotate any text. And next we have layer. Layer is to create a different line, for example for object line, for hidden line. So we can create that line by using this layer menu, and the rest is several menu that we might use later. Okay, so this is the ribbon, the shortcut for the menu. Next, you can see at the bottom, you can find out there is a model and there's a layout. So model is where you will draw your drawing. Okay, so layout is a paper base. So this is where you will put a dimension or to finalize what you want to print or plot for your drawing. Okay, so normally for drawing, we will click model. And next, you will find in the middle this one. Okay, this is we call that common window. So this is to give instruction to what you want to do at that time. For example, you can choose the menu here, line. Okay, for example, line, I will select line and I draw a line. Then I finish that one. Okay, but if I don't want to use this menu at the top, I can also use a command here by typing L. Typing L, it will appear line. So it will tell you what you need to do next. For example, this one, specify first point. So you have to specify where the first point is. And then I pick the first point, and then it will give you next instruction, next command. Specify next point. So I will specify next point. Okay, so if you still have another line that you want to make, you can make it until it's done. Okay, let's say if you want to close this one, so you can type C or you can click C, close, so it will close. So this is common window. And next is at the bottom right, you can see model, you can see several shortcut. We call this status bar. This status bar we call as drafting. Sorry. So this one is drafting setting. So if you see there is a grid, so I can turn on or off the grid. Okay, I can turn on and off, and also we can uh, make a snap mode. This is turn off. So if you turn on the cursor, when you make it, it will follow the grid of the workspace. Okay, so I turn off, and then there are auto mode, so you can create a straight line for polar tracking and snapping reference line, object snap, and etc. Okay, so this is the status bar. So next I will show you keyboard input. Keyboard, what you can normally when we start drawing, we use mouse and our keyboard as well. So what is the normal keyboard that we will use? First is escape button. For example, I want to draw line, and then I want to exit from this command. I don't want to draw any line, so what I can do is press the escape button. Press escape, and then the command will finish. The other keyboard button that we can always use is enter and spacebar. For example, I will draw a line again. And then I press enter. It also will finish that command, and also the spacebar. Okay, and the other button is up and down, your arrow. When you press up, it will go to the last command that you use, so you can quickly pick any command that you want to use. So escape button, enter button, and spacebar is normally what we will use. And then I will introduce you with the mouse function. So basically you know that your mouse, you have right button, left button, and at the middle you have scroll. So right button, we try to click your right button, and then there will appear the last command that you use, and recent input is several command that you had used before, and also another shortcut that you can use for example clipboard, cut, copy, isolate. You can zoom, you can pan, etc. Okay, so I press escape to exit the command, and then for the left button is for your selection. Okay, and okay for and then is the scroll in the middle of your mouse. When you scroll your mouse, it will zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so you can do the zoom in and zoom out, and try to press your scroll. Try to press it once. Can you see there is a hand? Okay, press the scroll, you can see the hand. So you can drag your mouse, hold the scroll and drag your mouse, so you can drag the drawing. Press the scroll and drag. So for example, if you have done with this drawing and suddenly you want to move to work on the other side, so you press pen, and then you can bring that, or easily zoom in and zoom out. Scroll is for pen. Okay, and also zoom in and zoom out. Alright, I think that's all for mouse. Oh, okay, before that, for selection. Okay, when you use your left button, click one and then drag, release the button and drag. Okay, and then click. So it will select object that has been in that window, the blue window. Okay, but if you drag from right to left, the green um, window will appear. So it will, okay, let me skip first. Green window, even if you not fully select all, but it will identify the whole line that involved in that object. Okay, I will do again. I will delete this one. I will make a circle. Okay, I will use a blue window. Select. We use our left mouse button. Click once, and then the blue window will appear. You will see the difference. Okay, so I select the first circle, and the second circle only half, and then I click. It will only select the object that has been covered in that blue window. But if I click from here, from bottom to top, I will cover the first, this one, the small circle, and this circle, but half, even half. It also will select the big circle, even though it's not fully covered in the green window. So you can, if you want to make a selection, you can use the blue window or the green window. Alright, so I think that's all for introduction. I will meet you again in the next video. Bye bye.